Hello, welcome to TextureMath. In this session, we will cover the further values from RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. And here you can see we have declared few password related variables by referring the IBM official website. So once your variable declaration is done, then you can directly use RTVSYSVAL command. So just write RTVSYSVAL, press F4. There you are supposed to pass two variables. First one is the value which you want to hold from the system, which you want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where you want to hold it. Okay, now to know more about this field, you can press F1 on this screen. So once you press F1, it will take you to this screen. This is a help screen, or you can say help window, where you will find the description of values. So in short, this screen will provide the description of all the values that we can retrieve from the RTVSYSVAL command. So from here you will get the information, and then directly you can copy this value to your program and you can retrieve it. Okay, so these are the values that we have already covered in our previous session. So today we are going to discuss about this QPWDLVL, which is mentioned as specifies the password level. So let's see what are the possible outcome for this field. So here if you are getting 0, then it means from 1 to 10 characters are allowed. There is no difference between level 0 and level 1. Okay, if you want to know study more about this, then you can read out all these stuff, but possible values are these. If you are getting 1, it means from 1 to 10 characters are allowed. There is no difference between level 0 and level 1. If you are getting 2, means password from 1 to 128 characters are allowed. Password can consist of any character and will be case sensitive. If you are getting 3, then it means password from 1 to 128 characters are allowed. Password can consist of any character and will be case sensitive. User profile password for password level 0 and 1 are removed from the system. If you are getting 4, then it means password from 1 to 128 characters are allowed. Passwords can consist of any character and will be case sensitive. Password for password level 0 to 0, 1 and 2, 0, 1, 2, 3 are removed. Okay, now we will see the second value. Second value is QPWDMAXLEN, which is for maximum length. So let's see what is written here. It is mentioned here: the maximum number of characters in password. Changes made to the system value take effect next time a password is changed. So let's see what all possible values are there. First is 0, 1 to 128, means a value from 1 to 128 can be specified as the maximum number of characters in password. If the system is operating at QPWD level 0 or 1, the valid range is 1 to 10. If the system is operating at QPWD LVL 234, the valid range is 1 to 128. Okay. Now the third value we are going to discuss is QPWDMINLEN, which means the minimum number of characters in a password. Changes made to the system value take effect the next time password is changed. Another possible value is 1 to 128, means the value from 1 to 128 can be specified as the minimum number of characters in password. If the system is operating at QPWD level 0 or 1, the valid range is 1 to 10. If the system is operating at QPWD level 2, 3, 4, then the valid range is 1 to 128. Okay, so this is how you will get the information regarding the value. After that you can hit enter and your command will look like this. So similarly we are retrieving the other two values, and once the value is retrieved, then we are printing it. So for printing we are using sndpgmsg. So you just write sndpgmsg and press F4. Here you can pass the variable, but this variable is of decimal type, so we are converting it to character because it only accepts character. Okay, if it was a character, then we can directly pass this, but this time these three value are of decimal type, so we are passing it inside the built-in function char. So these three line will print the value. Let's see what output we are getting. So I'm compiling it. It is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. So first output we got is 3, second is 128, and third is 6. We got the information and then we got the output as well. So now you can compare what all values you are getting for the respective values. So yeah, that's all for this session. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TextureMath.